instructions. I was going to type out all the instructions, but I thought it might be easier for me just to show you. So the way that I do it is using Mimio. If you don't have Mimio yet, you can install it for free and it just takes a couple of seconds. To do that, you're going to go down to your Launchpad and then you're going to look for something called self-service. And if you scroll around, you can see that it's going to be a white box and you can scroll from a couple of different pages. If you don't have Launchpad on your dock, you can also go, when you're in Finder mode, to Go and Applications. And then you can scroll down until you can find Launchpad. In my case, scroll up. So once you're in Launchpad, like I said, you're looking for self-service. It's going to be a white box. You're going to log on using your email username and password. And then you're just going to look for Mimio as one of the features that you can download. Let's see. I'm guessing it's going to be under applications. I've already installed it, so I'm not sure if it's going to appear on mine right now. It's going to look just like one of these symbols here with the box. So I don't see, oh, yes it is. So right here I would just click on install and then I could install Mimio. But like I said, I already have it, so I can show you what that looks like once you're in it. So as soon as you're done installing, it'll have a little bar going across showing that you're installing it, and then it'll say over off to the side when you're complete. Once you have it, you can find it again in Finder mode. So if you click on your desktop and then say Go Applications, you can find Mimio. And then what we're going to want is Mimio Notebook. Right here. Now I like Mimio Notebook because it's great and you can put in images, you can draw freehand, you can do just about anything, and this is what I use for all of my math tutorials. So like if I just want to write something, I can click on the little pencil tool over here and write what I want, so 27 minus 3 or whatever it is that I'm working on. If you're working on a concept where you need like clocks or money, you can get those as well. To find those, you'd go off to the side here where it talks about gallery, and it looks like a little picture. And then you can search within the gallery for different images that you're looking for. Or like if I want a clock, I could find images for clock or templates for clock and different things that I could do as well. And once you want those, you would just drag them in to the document and then you can do your lesson that way. So I usually start with Mimio. I get everything all set up like I want. I draw all my numbers, put all my templates in, get everything like I want. And when it's time for us to record, I want to have QuickTime. Now I use QuickTime a lot, so I have it down here on my dock. But if you don't have it down on your dock, again, you can go to Finder, and then you would just scroll down to where it talks about QuickTime. Now, once you click on it, it's not going to drastically change anything. Nothing's going to pop up on your window, but you notice up top it'll say that it's switched over to QuickTime Player. And then all you have to do is go to File, and then click on the one that you want. So like if I want a movie recording, then it's watching my face. If I want an audio recording, it would just be hearing my voice, but chances are good what you want is a screen recording. And I'm in the middle of a screen recording right now, so I can't click on it. But once you click on screen recording, this little box will pop up. You'll hit the start recording button and it'll give you a dialog in the middle where it says either click and it'll capture your whole screen. So like right now I'm capturing my whole screen. Or you can also click and drag so that if I just wanted to record, say, this section of my screen, I could do that as well. So that's how I do it. I use Mimio in order for me to do my recording. Really, you could use this QuickTime feature for just about anything. So let's say I didn't want to be in Mimio anymore. If it was a simple thing, I could always just pull up a Word document and then I could do whatever it is that I want to do on here. The only thing is then you don't have the capability to draw quite as easily. You could insert shapes and do things like that, but for me I find that Mimio usually serves my needs just as well. So like I said, I'm recording using the QuickTime Player, and it's just as simple as File, New Screen Recording, and then recording what I'm doing. And then the application that I usually use to create like the background and to do all my work is usually that Mimio. And you can find that again using Launchpad, Self-Service, and then off to the side where it talks about your applications, you would scroll down a little ways until it says Install Mimio, and you're looking for one that looks like this. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email and hopefully I can help. Thank you.